The zSpace experiences include simulations that are experiential in nature. You are able to observe cause and effect, collect live data, and change conditions in the environment based on the next generation science standards. You will notice how the experiences will lead you to ask questions and go deeper. To get started, there are a few things you need to know. On the top of the screen, you will notice the prompt text, which will give you guides on exploring the scene. Use the primary stylus button to pick up and interact with objects. You may notice key terms are written in blue. This means you can click on them to open a pop-up dictionary to learn about its definition and pronunciation. On the sides of the text are arrows you can use to progress through the experience, or go back to an earlier scene. If an arrow is grayed out, that means an action must be completed before moving forward, such as answering a question or interacting with part of the scene. Sometimes there is also an option to skip or explore more. On the right of the screen, you'll see the notebook. Here you can answer questions with text, tables, and multiple choice options. Some questions may ask you to answer with a photo. You can take a picture by selecting the camera icon under the question, zoom in and out with the left and right stylus buttons, and then take a photo with the center button. To move between your answers within the notebook, select its question number. Sometimes there are additional tools specific to each experience, such as slider buttons, inventories, timeline sliders, replay buttons, and more. Information boxes may also be available for further exploration. Just click on the eye to see information related to an image. When you are finished with an experience, be sure to enter your name and class name to submit your answers. Notebook answers can be opened in summary view and copied to a clipboard, which can then be pasted into a document or an email. Notebook answers can also be exported to a PDF. If you'd like to save and exit the experience or view your settings, simply click on the icons on the top left. And that's about it. Have fun asking questions and exploring to find answers in zSpace experiences.